Welcome back to another video in our dashboard series. In this video, you'll explore how to set up the KPI Gadget. You will also get an understanding of how to analyze and make sense of the data presented. How about we begin? The KPI Gadget, similar to the Table Gadget, is a tool that presents real-time information. Unlike other gadgets that retrieve data from the historical database, this gadget shows a single value that is based on calculated input data. The information is shown as a numeric value with unit, a custom text, and a custom graphic. Gadget configuration. Let's walk through the process of configuring the gadget. To begin, you can either click on the plus button to add a new dashboard, or access the top menu and select Add a new dashboard. Once the dashboard is named, proceed by clicking on Add Gadget. Next, navigate to the Usage Analysis category and select KPI. After providing a title for the gadget and choosing the desired level of opacity, proceed to the next step. Measurements. Here you can select the specific measurements you'd like to view from your devices. While it may seem straightforward, it's important to navigate carefully. The tool provides access to over 7,000 measurements, organized across 25 different categories within the PME database. To aid in finding your desired measurement, you can utilize the search box at the top by entering a keyword, or take advantage of the filters within the Show Advanced option. For instance, you can filter the categories by type, such as electricity, and further refine using the Show option. The tool also includes templates featuring predefined measurements. Once you've identified the measurements you need, simply select them, and they will appear on the right-hand side of the window. Here, you can sort them using the arrows pointing up or down, or remove them from the selection by clicking on the X. It's important to note that you should only select measurements supported by your device. Selecting unsupported variables could result in no readings being displayed. Click Next to proceed. Sources section is where you can specify the devices or hierarchy components from which you'd like to retrieve the previously selected measurements. To assist in selecting your sources, you can use the Show Advanced filter located below the search box to filter by type. Once filtered, you can proceed to choose the desired devices. After making your selections, click Next. It's time to configure the KPI formula. Enter the expression using the variables from the variable reference table in the calculation field to calculate the values. Most of the expressions plus, dash, asterisk, forward slash, percent, caret, min, max, and average can be used. Select the desired decimal places in precision to display in the calculated value. Enter the desired unit in units to display along with the value. Select Display After Value or Display Before Value for displaying the unit. Enter the desired name in description to display on the top of the gadget. Set the update interval for the data refresh in the display. Enable Apply Threshold Colors to highlight the displayed value as per the following configuration. For color, select the default data value text color and background color of the gadget from the available choices in the drop-down menu. For target, set the first target. If this target is exceeded, then set the required color and background color of the gadget in color. Select from the available choices in the drop-down menu. For upper target, set the second target. If this target is exceeded, then set the required color and background color of the gadget in color. Select from the available choices in the drop-down menu. Enable Display Target to display the desired target name in the gadget. Enter the desired target name in Target Label. Image. Complete the options on this page as follows. Select an image to display on the gadget from the available images in the image library. Optional, add an image to the image library by clicking Upload Image to open the Upload New Files dialog. Then either drag an image file to the area indicated in the dialog, or click Choose Files and navigate to an image on your system. Click Finish to add the image to the image library and then select it. Click Finish and let's review the results. If we need to make adjustments, we can do so by clicking on the gadget, accessing the top menu. Before we conclude the video, please remember that in order to utilize this gadget, your system requires the Energy Analysis Dashboards module license. Without it, the gadget will not be enabled. Thank you for watching.